Welcome to Elwood community. This community of 10 million square feet and over 40% green spaces will offer you unparalleled lifestyle luxury. You are located just off of Dubai Al Ain Road, and this community is inspired from the biggest rainforest in the world. You will have the Amazonian neighborhood, you will have the Daintree rainforest from Australia, and so many more. This community comprises of 4, 5 and 6 bedroom villas, starting price only 7.9 million dirhams, and guess what? The plot size is going to be bigger than the built-up area. Yep, you heard me right. Plot size bigger than the built-up area. Starting built-up area is 5,000 square feet, and the plot size is going to be 6,200 all the way up to 7,000 square feet. For 5 bedrooms, the starting price is 9.5 million only, and the built-up area is 5,700 square feet for a plot size of 6,200 to 7,000. But the best one, and hear me out on this one, very limited opportunities, only very few units left. The 6 bedroom villas, you're looking at G+2 plus roof. You have 3 parking spots, you have an elevator inside your house, and this is a huge opportunity. 7,200 built up area for 8,700 square feet plot size. Have a great day.